1.79, small gain during my webinar, but missed ideal short at 2-ish, and now looks to be holding the day low so far at 175-ish, already down roughly 20% today, and not guaranteed to be a red day given the stock's history, playing it safe in less than ideal conditions. We'll do video lesson on this. So, could have done a little better on my cover. If he had covered at 176, 177, 178, and then I guess it would have just been a few more pennies. The big thing was missing the short at 2. But at least missing the short at 2 made me patient for an hour and gave me time. But now, you can make the case that there's going to be a double bottom here. And when I can get out and make, how much did I make? I don't know, like $700. I'll take it, especially on a trade where I missed my ideal entry. I knew the entry was going to be at 2. When we saw that 47,000 share bidder, that was the main thing. And, if the stock is down 15, 20, 25% on the day, I don't know. It's a first red day. It could still squeeze. The trend is in my favor, but at the same time, I'm also aware of my schedule over the next 2 days. And, frankly, even though it was fading towards 175, it didn't feel like there was enough selling pressure to really break it. And then, if other people realize that it's a double bottom at 175, then 179 is a good cover. And it looks to be a good cover so far at 182, 183, because now other people are like, uh-oh, maybe it's a double bottom. It tried to get back down there. It got down to 176, but it was very weak attempt. The volume was weak, and there wasn't like a 50,000 share seller. There was a 10,000 share seller, which isn't enough to take out the day low. Because there are a lot of people who were short from yesterday in the 220s, 240s, 250s. Maybe not 240s. Most of the 240s people probably covered. Now it's at 185, 186, 187. Look at this. Now the double bottom comes into play. So when you're short a stock, always beware of, what are the potential double bottoms. And if you're long a stock, what is the pattern for a potential double top. Always keep that in mind no matter what the trend is. And maybe I covered too early. But again, I play it safe, and I want to show you this during a live webinar.
My name is Tim Sykes, and I teach people to trade stocks. I am a self-made multimillionaire.
So this is the ideal trade that I'm going to talk about. I want you guys to understand every single aspect of this trade.